Hello. The first website that I choose is the Applied Digital Skills. Before I start kind of explaining what is this website about, I would like to say that I'm coming from the almost third world country, and that the technology is not very advanced in Serbia. So when I moved in 2019, when I moved to the States, I really had to catch up with all of this new technology, and now with teaching I do have to keep up with all the new trends. Why did I choose the Applied Digital Skills? It is because one of the classes that I teach is the computer application class, and I think that this website is great for my students to learn how to make presentation, how to present themselves, and how to use different applications. As you can see here on the website, this website might be familiar for some of those, but here you can choose different levels from the late elementary to the adult learners. For me, this is the high school, so I'm just going to check here, and then there are different lessons. Each lesson, for example, make promotional flyers. Each lesson has an example and a video how to do this, and then the time that is provided, how much time they need to complete the assignment. It is I will use, as I said, in my computer app class, which is great because I use a book right now, but sometimes the books can be a little behind if the school doesn't buy the new editions all the time. Google Applied Skills update the lessons, and there is always something new to learn. Also, there is some of the lessons for myself as well. As I said, I'm keeping up with the technology. And then here you can choose if you're a teacher, what is your profile, create a class, add these different assignments to your class, and then you can put all of your students in one class. Pretty simple. Also a great website for anybody who needs technology advices and lessons.